welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darin. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please share this video as much as you can. Today I'm going to be making broccoli mushroom stir fry. Broccoli is very healthy. It's a very healthy vegetable, and it's important for calcium as well as iron. And when you're cutting your broccoli florets, just make sure you cut it with the stem. The stem is actually where the goodies are packed, so the iron and the calcium are packed in the stem or the stalk of the broccoli. So I'm just cutting my broccoli now and separating the florets, and I'm just going to continue to do that. So I'm all done. I'm going to go ahead and wash my broccoli. So in your frying pan, you're going to pour in your favorite oil. You can use sesame oil or use your normal vegetable oil or canola oil. And then I'm going to be adding in my stir fry sauce to this. Make sure the oil is hot before you add in the sauce. So I'm going to start off by adding in my Thai sauce. This is a sweet and spicy sauce that would give your food a sweet taste, and it's good with for veggies as well as for chicken, and if you're going for like a sweet flavor in your food. Next, I'm going to be adding in my honey garlic sauce as well. A little bit sweet as well, but then has that garlicky kind of flavor to it. Next, I'm going to be adding in my soy sauce. There's no stir fry without soy sauce, so just a little bit of that. And I'm going to mix this together and allow it to steam up a little bit. So next goes in my washed broccoli, and you don't want to overcook this. Just steam it up a little bit and make sure it stir fries. Coat all the florets with your stir fry sauce. Next goes in my mushrooms. I'm using the brown mushrooms, and mushrooms are actually very healthy for your diets. They have loaded with vitamins, minerals, and they also have antioxidants, obviously, which is good for fighting free radicals in your blood. So that's I'm just gonna stir both the mushroom and the broccoli and make sure that the stir fried sauce evenly coats this. And I'm not going to cook this for long because I still want to have that crunchy feel with my veggies. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this together to ensure that my stir fry evenly coats my mushrooms as well as the broccoli. So I'm going to allow this to steam up for a while. So I'm going to cover it with a lid for about 5 minutes at max. You don't want it to get soggy. So that's it, guys. My broccoli is all done and it's ready to be served. I'm just going to stir this a little bit more. You can still see that it's still green. It's not wilted due to the excessive heat. So this is the kind of cooking consistency that I want, and that's what the finished look looks like. So you can eat this with practically any type of food, maybe with a side of rice. You can take it just like that, or maybe with pasta, whatever you want. It's a good side dish to accompany your main meal. Thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel at DerinsCorner. Please like this video and follow me on all social media at DerinsCorner as well. Thank you. Bye.